Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, you can see this is a beautiful power backwaters I have come to. I am in Kerala and I'm just enjoying my boat ride over here. You can see here there is a golden sand beach and it's little hot, so I'm just sitting in my water boat only, and this is really very beautiful place. You can just see there, also see all the coconut trees, and there is a island cottages also, and floating cottages also you can see. Overall, this is bliss. I do not have any other words than this. And this is nature, and nature is connected to Mercury. So, maybe the Mercury and all other planets which are going to get together in the sign of Capricorn, which made me to come here, because in my 12th house of the chart all these planets are making get together. And today moon is in Mula Nakshatra, today moon is in Sagittarius sign. And friends, I have always observed that whenever moon is in Mula Nakshatra or moon is in Sagittarius sign, that time I am mostly in travel mode. And whenever moon is near to Capricorn, so how our small distance to long distance travel takes place. This is what I wanted to convey you all, because maximum of my travels whenever moon was in 12th house of my chart, ninth house of 11th house of my chart, 5th house, 7th house and 8th house. We probably say that always third house is connected to travels, but it is not so, because it differs from person to person. And one more thing I would like to tell you all, specifically whenever Capricorn, wherever your if your Cancer sign falls in 12th house of chart or 6th house of chart or third house of chart or ninth house of chart, then definitely you can see that you are having travels that time, or small or long distance travels. Even though whenever your fourth house is becoming afflicted, like, see, fourth house is our Sukhasthana, right? And when sun like planets, sun, Mars, or Rahu or Ketu like planets in transit goes there, that time we go for a long distance or long travels, or that particular phase in that particular month, whenever degreegally we get some alignment, definitely our travels take place. Other than that, people having such planetary position by default in their chart, like Rahu, Ketu in fourth house of chart, Sun in fourth house of chart, Mars in fourth house of chart, or Moon in third house of chart. Always they love travels, and always some or other way they are traveling. Even if your sixth house is having Moon, or third house or ninth house is having Moon along with your 10th house Lord also, then also professionally you have to travel a lot. For work purpose you have to go from one place to another. But travels are always the beautiful thing one should do. This is my leisure travel what I am doing after whole corona period, and such a long time I wanted to go for a travel. But that in between that, also so many times moon traveled from 12th house or 6th house of chart. But maybe that time the travels which happened for me was just a local travel, just within my territory only. I was just traveling. So once again I will show you where I am. You can see the beach there. People are having narel pani over there, that is coconut water. This is a beautiful beach, and we will just get down here, and let's see how I can explore more over here. So stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology. We'll meet soon. Bye bye.